Hi guys. Okay, so the new adventure begins. We have sold the bus and we have purchased a Solitude 380 FL, which means front living. Now this particular RV has a raised front living area and a raised bedroom and bathroom in the back, which gives you a lot of storage. And once we get inside, you're going to hear that the girls really loved it. So we have a Solitude 380 FL.
Has this. Oh, the water. Look at this refrigerator. He's like, oh, you can stick out a window. I'm like, wow.
This gives you a look at their raised living room. These two couches do fold out to beds, so when the children come to visit, they have some place to sleep away from the master bedroom. And this unit does have a half bath, which I'll show you later. It's kind of nice. You stand up here, you can see all the way through the whole rig.
I would trip over this though.
Yeah, you have to push it. You only pull it out.
And you know what?
I have to agree with her. I would probably trip over the bowls if they were out as well. But this gives you an overview of the kitchen.
But unless it's giving me that much more, what's the roof on this? I mean, we're not going to probably keep it 20 years. This is the one I get. I already love it. Look at the bathroom. Look at the space you have for clothes.
Did you see where the washer dryer go on this?
Oh.
The bathroom to the right.
On the right here, yeah. Yeah. Because look at, you have some hanging, not a lot, but look at, you have drawers, space there, 3 drawers each. And you have this. And you have more hanging space here. 2 hanging spaces here too. So you actually have 2 hanging spaces here. So you don't have as big a closet, but if you're not full time or if you don't have as much as us.
And look at this.
I like that this is a big sink and you can take this out too.
Can you lift this up, Diane? Here we'll lift up the bed to give you an idea of the storage that's underneath the bed. It was bigger than what we had in our Tiffin. Our mattress is heavier than this, so we'll have to replace those struts for sure. Okay.
I got it.
Wow. It's okay.
You got it?
Wow. Yeah.
Go right
Did you look under the bed?
All right. I can put a book there and do that too. But where it is okay. Every time I saw a picture, it was like right in the middle. I do.
You're gonna like this.
Oh my goodness. Yeah, that's for jewelry or like rugs or. Yeah, I have drawers. My drawers are even deeper though. That. I do put things. You can put things all under there.
Oh.
See all the way over to there.
On the sides too.
That's what I have under my bed. That's the things. Yeah.
Okay, enough with the inside. Let's take a look at the storage area. This is a pass-through that is big on one side and a little smaller on the other side, but all of your electrical wiring and everything will be behind that panel. Of course, we have 2 LP tanks in the front, and the front area there where the generator was supposed to be is empty. I will tell you that that's one mistake we did make. We got no generator in the trailer from the manufacturer. We'll have to add it afterwards because we do enjoy boondocking. Now this unit was pre-wired for a generator, but the one that we got was not pre-wired. This is that push-u compartment from the other side. You can see it's a little narrow on this side because of the water control bay here. However, you can easily reach in there to get like your outdoor rugs or chairs or things like that you want to store in that area. Now this particular RV does have like 5 or 6 different slide outs, which were issues for us on the Tiffin. We had one slide to give us a lot of problems. We'll have to see how it goes on this one. Here's the back storage area that we talked to you about. This push-through bay goes all the way through, and then there's a big bay in the back that has a sliding tray in it that you have even more storage, you know. Hashtag carry more stuff. All right, guys, there's your walkthrough. We'll keep you advised as the adventure continues.